How to fix missed call notification not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your missed call notifications not showing in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the reason why your notification is not showing for your missed call might be because you have turned off the notifications for missed call. Now, the simple fix is you'll just need to turn it back on. Now to turn it back on, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings, and after you head over to your settings, simply scroll down and there you'll find the notification settings. It's right here. Tap on notification, and after you tap on notification, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, you will need to find the phone app. So search for the phone app and there we go. Now make sure that the notification is turned on and make sure the lock screen, notification center and banners are turned on. Now, if either of these are not turned on, your notification for missed calls will not get shown in your notification center. So just make sure that you've turned this on, and overall you have turned on the notification. After you do that, your problem is now fixed, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.